Hi traders, good morning for traders who from Europe and good afternoon for traders in Asia. So at this moment I'm shorting the crude oil market. So this is my entry. So let me draw something as indication. Okay, this is my entry level. So I'm expecting for the price to move far below 2-day low. Okay, I'm expecting a quick downward movement, so maybe within 1 hour time. So at this moment it's 20 US dollar in profit. So we will see for the next few minutes whether this have a strong bearish potential or not. Okay, by the way, this is a 10-minute chart, and this during the London sessions. So I will pause this video while the market moving, and resume back again once there is a good direction on the bearish movement. So we'll continue later. Hi guys, continue back. So at this moment the market did a strong bearish movement. So we have seen $90, $100 in a profit, and hopefully this kind of trend will continue for the rest of this evening, and maybe for the rest of morning session in UK or in Europe. Hopefully the price have a strong bearish movement at this moment. The profit looks okay at this moment, 8 ticks. So the stop loss is somewhere at 72.23 here. This is my stop loss at the peak here. So I hope the price can break. I think this one is a 2-day low. Once it penetrate 2-day low, then I'm expecting for the price to move faster at this area. So okay, we can see there's a small pullback here. So let's wait and see for, maybe I will continue live again in 30 minutes time, so to see whether the market can be have a strong bearish kind of movement. Okay, hopefully there is no reversal at this moment. My target is to have a profit at 71.74, which is around 36 ticks, or around $360 in profit. So let's wait and see whether the price can be bring down to this area. So maybe might take around 1 hour and a half during since my entry position here. So we continue live later. I will pause this video and resume back later on. Thank you. Okay guys, market actually did spike down, so I didn't manage to close my position, but at this moment profit $210 US. So hopefully the price will go further down to this level of 71.54, and at this moment it looks good, and hope for the price to go further down. But again, so at this moment the market continuing to the downward movement, nearing the TP area of 71.68. So the profit at this moment is 320 US dollars. So it's quite good for me, though I will left the market immediately. It's quite good actually. So I will liquidate everything, and so a profit of $310 should be a good one. So we have another 5 minutes before the candle finish. So let's wait. I will resume back once I reach the TP area. US dollar in the profit. So I think I will exit now immediately. So it's 320 in profit. Yeah. Okay, just nice. Exit from the market. So let's clear out all the order. So this is my position where I exit. Okay, just after I exit, now the market moving downwards here, but still it reached the TP area. It's a good day. It's 320 profit US dollar. So Happy trading, guys. Please subscribe this channel for future video. Thank you. Bye bye.